Hello, myself Nitish. As you know that I'm taking quantity surveying and contract management session for today's session. We are in seventh part number 7, which will be dealing with estimation of a road. The estimation means the quantity surveying. It is the to find the quantity of the earthwork in the road. That is called estimation of road or road work. Okay, in cutting, in fully cutting, in fully banking, and partially cutting and partially filling. How to find the estimation of a road? We'll directly go for a problem because already we part 6 video we completed. Part 6 video we completed types, different methods which will include in the problem. That is one is mid-sectional method, that is called mid-area method. Mean sectional method, that is also called mean area method, and pyramidal area method. Okay, so now here problem. Please concentrate regarding this problem. Estimate the quantity of earthwork. Just will take the estimate the quantity of the earthwork for a portion of a road for 300 meter. We are going to concentrate on only 300 meter. Interval of each 30 meter. Because RL of not interval, the ground profile we have taken for each 30 meter. Okay. So now estimate the quantities of road work for a portion of road 300 meter. Please remember 300 meter we are taking. For example, road from estimate the quantity of earthwork from one particular place to another particular place. In that we are taking a 300 meter length from the following data. Formation width of the road. Yesterday I discussed in the last video I discussed that is what is formation width karke. So formation width of the road is I don't know whether it is cutting or filling, but I am just sharing you what is formation width. That is the formation width of the road D, that is 10 meter. Okay. Side slopes in banking is 2:1. There are both will be there. Side slopes in the banking is 2:1, and side slopes in the cutting is in the 1.5:1. It is banking. If the see, this is ground level, isn't it? This is ground level. In the ground level, this is banking. So side slope is in the banking, it is 2:1. Okay. If the section is under cutting, then side slope is 1.5:1, isn't it? So this is the ground level. Formation width will be always usually 10 meter as mentioned in the problem. Okay. So formation level at the first discharge is 102 meter. The road is downward gradient. See, very good example. 102. And the downward gradient is 1 in 50 up to distance of 120 till the downward gradient. So downward gradient 120 meter. After the gradient changes is 1 in 100. Please remember here. Okay. Now formation level is 102. Okay. So there is no. I'll take an eraser. Eraser I'll take. See here. See here. Now till here, for example, if I show you in a good, we cannot take a screen here So better I'll draw it here. Please understand the concept. For that I am using this concept. See, I'll draw a profile of the ground and let it be here. We'll start from here. The profile of the ground. For example, here it is 0, 30, 60, 90, up to 120, up to 90. After that 120, 150, 160, 180, 180, 210, so 240 till 300. Now, what is this? Is datum line. Take this is datum line. So now your ground profile. This is datum line because your formation level is 120. I mean 102. 102 is the formation line. So now 102 is the formation line. So now I'll just draw. I'll just draw of 90. 95. If I take the datum line is 95, as you know, everyone know that datum line means what? It's the reference point. If I draw a 95, then the first 0 to 300. So 0 to 300. That is means 30, 30, 60, so on. Okay. Now in the 95, 0 it is 101. Okay. Let me take 0. It is 101. 101, 100, little down, right here, little down. For 60, 100.1, little down again, right. Then 100 point, little up. Then 108 point, 120 it is 108.8, little high. Okay, like that. 150 it is 106 point, little down. 180 it is 100. It will come here almost. Again 210 it is 99.8, like that. 99.8. Then it is like that, so slowly. So now this is your actual ground profile. So actual ground profile, right? This is your actual ground profile. It will look like this. So now your formation width is at the formation first signage is 102. So that means your first signage means 0 signage. 0 signage formation width is 102. So formation width, because here it is actually it is how much? 101. Ground level is 101. So now here it is 102. Formation level at the 0 signage starts from 102. Is it correct? 102. Clear. In the 102, it is a downward gradient up to 60, up to 120, right? Up to 120. Remember here, up to 1 in 50. The road is downward gradient in 1 in 50, 150, up to distance of 120 meters. That is 60, 90, 120. Till here, this is 120, right? So till here, your downward gradient. That means the gradient is 1 in 150. That means 1 meter drop in 150 meter down. So the gradient will come like this up to here. After that, the gradient will changes from 1 in 100. That is 1 meter down in till here. So that means most probably all the portion will come in banking down. Again it will be 1 in 150 down. So your most of the portion will be under what? Banking. So this is the portion, right guys? This is the portion. This is the portion of the filling the road, because this is the road exact line. It should be straight actually. It is not coming. Actually it is straight. The green line should be straight line, because it's a formation line. This is the ground profile. Okay, this is the ground profile. Your always green line should be usually straight. Usually straight. Okay, ground profile should be always should be straight, like that. Straight will come. Okay, now this is the profile of the ground. This is the road line. This is the formation line with the proper gradient. Okay, now how to calculate for each meter? See here, if the downward gradient, you can do see the downward up to 120, every 150 meter 1 meter dropped, every 150 meter 1 meter dropped. So as I told, so thereafter every 30 meter how much? 0.2 meter, is it not? How to calculate? 1 in 150 means 1 in 150, right? 1 in 150, that means drop, downward gradient, right? So now 1 in 150 means every 150 meter, think this is 150 meter, 1 meter drop. This is the slope. This is the slope of 1 in 150 actually. Okay, actually that is the slope. I should draw easily. That means it should be straight line. This is a straight line. This is the slope. This is the slope. This is 150 meter, 1 meter drop. So that is called 1 in 150. So now every 150 meter 1 meter stop. Then what up for the 30 meter? What for 30 meter? So that is 150 meter 1 meter drop, 30 meter how much it should be? Then how much it should be? That is 30 by 150. If you do, you will get 0.2. Okay, that is same way for 120 meter drop is 1 meter, then 30 meter how much? Because the interval is 30, no, so that is 30 by 120. That is 3 ones are 0.25 you will get, right? So this is the answer. I will go to back. So now here 0.2 meter for every 1 meter drop. See, 0.2 for every 1 meter drop. 0.25 alla 0.3 meter for every 100 meter drop. Not 120, 100. Sorry, it's 100. So it should be 30. Okay. So now I hope so that figure you got it. All are banking. Let it be this figure. So now we'll go to directly problem. So thereafter RL of formation level every 30 meter is, thereafter RL of formation at every 30 meter is 102 minus 0.2. So 101.80. First point, it is RL of formation at the first point is 120. Right. That is here actually. See here. See the clear figure here. I'll take the pen. RL of, see, this is the formation line, right? RL of formation line at every 30 meter it is 102, because 102 minus 0.20, because it will be downward gradient. 101.81 column. Same way RL of 60 it will be 101.80 minus 0.2. So remaining as shown here. See now here 0. This is the what? This is the intervals of 300 meter length. Correct. The intervals of 300 meter length, 0 to 150. Sorry, 300 with the 30 meter interval, isn't it? So this is the 30 meter interval length. Now actual ground profile is what? So actual ground profile is 109.100.9. 100.5, 100.7. This is actual ground profile which is mentioned in the problem, right? I drawn the figure ground profile. So now see, this is the actual ground profile 101 from 198 point that I shown drawn. RL of formation for 101. RL of formation figure, just read the RL of formation at the first sign is RL of formation or the first signage is RL of formation for the first signage, how much? It is 102. Correct, no? Or not visible properly, not good color. We'll go to another color which is visible. I think so, this is visible, yeah. RL of first signage is 102. That means first signage means this one, 102, correct, no? And first signage ground level is 101, LI, 101. The road is downward gradient of 1 in 150. Till 150, up to the distance of 120 meter, up to here, your downward gradient is 1 in 150. After that, your gradient is changes from this is 1 in 150. That means every 30 meter there will be a drop of 0.2 meter. After that, a drop of 0.3 meter. So that is 1 in 100. 1 in 100. So now, what to do? Actually, here formation level is drop is every point there will be a drop, right? Because in the see here formation level starting point will be 102. After that the gradient is there, so that gradient will be changes. See here the formation level at 0, 102 as mentioned in the problem. After that till 120 meter what happened, there will be a till 120 meter there will be a gradient. That gradient is 1 in 150. Correct. After that the gradient line will be 1 in 100. Isn't? So now the thing is here 102 become 101.108 after 30 meter because it's a downward gradient, right? The gradient will be changes from think that this is the ground profile, like that it is there actually, and this is here 101. Actually ground profile is 101. So color combination I will do so that you will not this is all for the student should not get any doubt. That is my intention. See, this is color is not good in this case. Red will take. So now see actual profile of the ground is downward, right? This is downward from 101 to 98.5. So now here formation line for the first signage 101 signage is 102. So that I have written here 101.102. Up to 120 signage meter it will be downward gradient up to 1 in 150. Right, 1 in 150. After that it will be 1 in 100 after 120. After that 120. So every 30 meter drop is every 30 meter, this is every 30 meter, there will be a 0.2 drop because up to 1 in 150 means 150 meter, every 150 meter 1 meter drop, then every 30 meter 0.2 meter drop. 2 meter drop. So that is become 108 for 30 meter. Correct. And again it will be from 108 to next 30 meter 0.2 meter drop, that is 106 becomes. Again 104 it becomes, right? Up to here 102 becomes. Every 0.2 drops, 102 to 108, 108 to 101.6. Sorry, 102 to minus 0.2, that is 101.8. Every 0.2 meter drops. After 101.8 to 0.2 minus, so 101.6. From there 101.6 to 101.4, 101.4 to 101.2. So till here 0.2 drops. After that 1 in 100, right? After that 1 in 100. 1 in 100 means what? 1 in 100 means here every 100 meter 1 meter drops. Then every 30 meter how much drop? 100 minus 30 divided by 100. That's 0.3. So from here it is 0.3, 102 because already line he is in now 102. So now it is becomes 0.3. Here to here 0.3 drops. Right. That is 102. Here it is little dark red dye, green I'll take. So but from here to here it is 109. 109 to 106, 0.3 difference. See 102 minus 0.3, 100.9, 101.2 minus 0.3, 100.9, 100.9 minus 0.3, 100.6, so on, 100.3, 100, 99.7, 99.4. So in that, in the formation level, all the green lines, green formation level is, so now you can see all the things are in filling. All from 0 to 300 there is a filling. No green lines are meeting red line. Right? There is no green lines are meeting red line. That means there is no cutting. All are above the ground profile. All otherwise you will get here negatives. So now depth, total depth for the total depth of filling, there is no cutting. If the positive answer is coming, depth is equal to what? Depth is equal to RL of formation line minus actual profile ground. So that is the total depth you are getting. So that is, you can see in the figure. So this is the depth, isn't it? This is the depth. This is the depth, total depth. This is the depth in the 30. This is the depth in the 60. This is the depth in the 90. So on. How you will get that? So that is what? Your RLF formation line minus RLF ground line. That is what here mentioned. RLF formation line minus RLF ground line. You will get the answer. Right. So now 101 point. So we will get a, we'll go for a blue now. So it is not visible. Simply why to waste the time. So now each we got each length. Let it be this one. So now 101 formation, actually formation line is RLF formation 102 minus 101. So 1 meter depth, that is depth of filling. If you plus, you will get answer. So this is plus, no. So if answer is plus, it indicates that it is banking. If the answer you are getting cutting, minus, then it is cutting. Cutting, when the answer you will get minus, when the formation line passes the ground line. When the formation line passes this ground line, then it is cutting. This is the portion is negative answer you will get, cutting, because formation level minus this one you will get, formation level will come the below the ground level, then I will get a negative answer. That is cutting. So this is banking. Okay. 0.9. This is 0.9, 1.1, 0.7, 0.4, 0.3, 0.6, RLF formation line minus, this is 101, 102.1011, 101.8 minus 100.9 is equal to 0.9. 101.6 minus 100.5 is equal to 1.1. 101.4 minus 100.7 is equal to 0.7. 101.2 minus 100.8 is equal to 0.4. 100.9 minus 100.6 is equal to 0.45. 0.6 is equal to 100.6 minus 100. That is your 0.6 answer. For 0.5, that is 100.3 minus 99.8. 100 minus 99.20 is equal to 0.8. So 199.7 is equal to 99.1. So now 99.4 minus 98.5, 0.9. All the answers are positive. So you are till, so that I already mentioned, yellow color line indicates that all are in. See here also I mentioned all are in banking. So no, there is no cutting here. All are in banking. Clear? Hope so. This is clear. So now we'll move for find the quantities of banking. So now only we got the depth of banking. D, D1, D2, D3, DM. That is, if we are doing mean depth, then this, if the problem is asked, there is not mentioned in which method you have to do. So we are doing now in the mean depth method. So now we got only the depth. We got the depth, right? So now we got only the depth. So now I am going to calculate the quantities. For the quantities, I am going to take a mean depth method. So that is mean. I am going to take this column is made for mean depth. Repeating. I am repeating here. This column is made for mean depth, not mean area. Area means you have to check here mean. After BD plus SD square, there will be a mean here. Not for the mean depth. Area, mean D. That is BD plus SD square is the area of that particular interval. For that, you have to take the mean. That is AM. So here it is become DM. So that is depth. This is DM. So is the formula you know. This is BDM. This is SDM. So this is BDM plus SDM. So BDM into SDM, you will get the mean. This is mean depth method. Mean depth method or mid-sessional method. Mid-sessional area method. Mid-sessional area method. Okay. So now we'll do. How many are there? First serial number, you take the column, then distance, then the depth. Actually, mean depth method means you have to take the depth of mean. That's mean of the depth. So then you know that formula for the mean depth method. I'll go for that. What is the mean depth method formula? Area is equal to BD plus SD square. So BD plus SD square is equal to area. So multiply by the length, you will get BD plus SD square into L. So that we are doing here. So that is BD plus SD square column and L and multiplication of column. That is quantity, total quantity column. Very simple. So now I am here by taking you an example. That is serial number. Serial number will first you give the distance. That is 0. As you know that I have calculated, this is distance. That is 0, 30 distance, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, 210, 240. This is mentioned in the problem, right? And 270 and 300, isn't it? So now this is the total distance. Now what is the depth for the 0? The 0 means 0 change. You can see here 0, 101, 2 minus 101. Total depth is 1. So that blue color only I will take. So this blue color line I am transforming here. See this 1 not 1 for the 0 Chinese 1. So 1. Correct. For the 30 Chinese 0.9. So 30 Chinese it becomes 0.9. This is 1. Then for 60 Chinese it is 101.6 minus 100.5. That is 101.1. So that is becomes 1.1. So now the next one become 0.7. That is 0.7 here. Then 0.4, 0.3, 0.6, 0.5, 0.8, 0.6, 0.9. So 0.4, 0.3, 0.6, 0.5, 0.8, 0.6, 0.9. So this is the total depth in the each interval to be banking. You have to fill in the fill. That is each interval. So that means, for example, if you take 1 and 0.1, 0 to 30. I'll take one screen for you. Right. 1 and 0.9, right? We'll take one screen for you, 1 and 0.9. So that is pen. So now the thing is, we are going to construct the road work. We have only profile line. So that is formation width they have given, and slope they told. In the 0 Chinese, take this is 0 Chinese, and so this is, we'll take a 0 Chinese. We are going to 0 Chinese, right? So now this is 0 Chinese, ground profile, and depth at the 0 Chinese how much? 1 meter. So depth at the 0 Chinese 1 meter, correct? So 0 Chinese depth is 1 meter. So this is 1 meter. So formation width is how much? Formation width is 10 meters. So this left side 5, right side 5. Formation width is 5 meter, 10 meter, right? So now this is 10 meter formation width. So slope for the formation width is for the banking it is 1. That is slope is in the problem they mentioned slope is 2:1. You can see here the 2:1. So one more time we'll go for the back. So that was I mentioned here. First, this is ground line at the 0 Chinese, ground line at the 0 Chinese, ground line at the 0 Chinese. This is ground line at the 0 Chinese. Okay. Now our depth at the 0 Chinese is, because this is ground line. Ground line, what is the profile? For this is ground line maybe 101 RL, right? And but formation width is, that is the ground line. Formation level means the road line is 102. That means 1 meter difference. So that is what we did. So from here 5, here 5 I am going to take. Why I am taking like that means it should be equal. Both the sides should be equal from the center. So now I'll take a pen. I'll draw a formation width 5, 5. So like that it will come. Okay. So now it may not be perfect. Sometimes it will be perfect, sometimes it may not be. So don't feel wrong. It is just I'm giving an example for you. Okay, I'm giving an example for you, not the case. Okay, this is not a proper one. Okay, just I'm giving example. Let it be 10 and 2:1 at the 0 Chinese. Here we are only getting the area, that is BD plus FD square. We are getting, right? If you multiply the length, and if you multiply the length, How much length? One interval. I am taking only the example of one interval. Multiply the length. But the depth is changes here. Please remember, the depth is changes here. That is what I wanted to show you. That is what I wanted to show you. So it is the depth here. Maybe we cannot say how. So now depth of this is a zero Chinese, right? So the here the ground line is 30. In the 30, so and so RL will be there. We got it that 101.1. Maybe RL is 101.10 RL. Okay, that is ground profile is 101. But formation width here is how much? Formation width here is 102. So that is here it is 0.9. Right. Here it is 0.9 and here it is 1. So mean depth means here we are taking the mean of that. So now I am going to calculate the volume of this. Right. I need the volume of this total area. So I need the volume of this total area. So this area, I cannot take only one area. I need the area of both. So this so both are area. This is a mean I am going to take here. Multiplied by length. Multiplied by length. Okay. Multiplied by the length. The different mean I am going to take here. So multiplied by length. I will take that color only. So there will be no issues. Multiplied by length we are going to take here. Oh. So now multiplied by length. Right. The multiplied by this length. I hope you got it easily. So now that is what I am doing. This is continuation. So now what I will do here? How to calculate it? So calculation is equal to simple. So that is the BD, formation level BD. So area is equal to what? Area, depth, mean depth I am taking here. See, listen, and this is 10, D1. So D1. So D1 is 1. From here 1 and here it is 0.9. The zero Chinese it is 0 and 30. Right. 1. This is depth. So DM or mean depth it becomes what happens from here to here. It is 1 plus 0.9 divided by 1.9. 1.9 divided by 2. That is 1.9 total. It becomes 0.85. Mostly it is 0.85. This is DM. Correct? No. This depth both I am taking. But area of the trapezium is equal to BD plus SD square. Correct. SD square into L. This is not area. This is Q. Quantity, volume or quantity if you take. It becomes this much. So here this is I am taking mean because our method is mean depth method. BDM. So now what is DM? DM, that is 10. DM is, B is 10. And DM becomes 1 plus 0.9, that is divided by 2, that is 0.85 mostly, plus slope. What is the slope here? 2:1. So 2 into DM, that is again 0.85 square into L, that is 30. This is of 0 to 30. So now this is like that only we are going. So now we are moving to another one, that is 30 to 100, so on. So that is what we did here. Now it becomes it becomes now it is mean depth we are taking. The depth 1 plus sorry, it's not 0.85, it is 0.95. Okay, I took 0.85 because it is 0.95. 1 plus 9, that is 1.9. 1.9, right? 1.9 divided by 2, if you do, you will get 0.95, not 0.85. Please remember that time what I did, it is 0.85. So this is become 0.95. That is 0 to 30 what I did. Again 30 to 60, that is 0.9 plus 1.1, that is 1.9 plus 1.1, 2. 2 divided by 2, it is 1. Okay, so that is what we are doing. A distance, mean distance from 1 to 1, 1 to 1. That is a continuation process what I did in the black, that is screen. So this is from here to here, again from here to here, again from 0.9. So then again from here to here, so again from here to here, so on, like that. So now it becomes this is only my duty is to understand. I am just highlighting for the students or learners. There is no much tricky. So this is what I am here for you teaching. Now you got it, that 1.1. From there again here to here. From there again here to here. From there again here to here. Here to here. This is mean we are taking. Mean of the depth. We can take mean of the area also. So this is mean depth method. So now again 1.1 plus 1.7 divided 1.8 divided by 2, 0.9. 0.7, 0.4, 1. Divided by 2, 0.55. So that become 0.35, 0.45, 0.55, 0.65, 0.7, 0.75. This is the depth, the mean of the depth. So multiplied by b into dm. B is equal to 10. That is the slope, and slope is 2. So b into dm, that is 0.95 into 10, 9.5. 1 into 10, 1. 1 into 10, 10. 0.9 into 10, 9. 0.55 into 10, 5.5. 0.55 into 10, 5.5. 0.35 into 10, 3.5. 0.45 into 10, 4.5. 0.55 into 10, 5.5. 0.65 into 10, 6.5. 0.7 into 10, 7. 0.75 into 10, 7.5. And SD square also same. That is S is slope 2 and dm square. dm square means not 9.81 square. That is VDM. Just only take 0.95. 0.95 for this 1.1. That is 0.95 square. 0.95 square into 2. That is 1.81. So 2 means 1.1 square into 2. That is 2. 0.7 square into 1.62. 0.61. 0.25. 0.41. 0.61. 0.85. 0.98. 1.13. So this is about SDM square. So BDM plus SDM square will get the area. So area is equal to 9.81 plus 1.1, 1.81, 9.5 plus 1.81. That is 9.5 plus 1.81 is nothing but 11.31. That is 9.5 plus 9.81 becomes 11.31. Same way 12. Same way 10.62. Same way 6.11. 3.75, 4.91, 6.11, 7.35, 7.98, 8.63. The total quality, so length is equal to 0 to 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30. So this is becomes 11.31, 11.31. Now it becomes now it becomes 11.31 multiplied by 30, it becomes BDM plus SDM square into L. So that is what the meter cube we will get volume. So and so 360, 318, 318, 183.3, 112.5, 147.3, 183.3, 220, 239.4, 259.9, 2363.10 cubic meter. That is cubic, that is meter cube. So total quantity of earthwork, not of this. This is not of this. Please do not concentrate on this. Okay. This is of, there is no, this is somewhat different. We are getting only banking here. The total quantity of banking becomes, add all the things. So that will become 2363.10. All the portions are in banking. Okay. So this is the problem of today's. This is the problem of today's. If this is about mean depth method, if the mean depth method is we are not following, if we are following mean area method, then it becomes, if we are following mean area method, what will be changing here? Nothing, just I'll show you what it will change. The volume, obviously volume becomes changes. In same case, here, what is mean area method? Mean area method becomes this will be, see, this will be, there is no mean here. It will become 1. This will become 10. Okay. There is no mean here. This is 0.9 only. So just multiply here BD, directly BD and ST. Here it will become ST square some value, XXX value. So this become XXX. This area of mean, you have to do here one more column called AM. That is area, mean area method, AM. Here you are going to take the area of this area. This is A, right? This is A, BD plus ST square. This is the area we are getting. So multiply by that. If you do, you will come to know the mean area method. Okay, this is different column. That's all. That is for mean area method, and mean depth method is different. So I hope you understood this problem, and you can do such a problem. We'll solve another type of problem next week. Fully cutting or fully banking or fully partially cutting and partially filling. So that is a interesting sub topic also in this regards. So hope so you understood this problem nicely. So any clarification, please give the comment on comment boxes. Okay, and seconds more. So we'll make a 50 minutes video and we'll wind up this session. I hope so. This is a easy and simple method as usual. Thank you for concentration. Thank you so much. We'll move to first slide and keep it up. Okay. Thank you very much for today's class. Signing off. Bye.